Welcome. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how to group elements here in WIX. All right. This one will work on both the WIX Studio and the WIX Editor. Now in here, as you can see, in this header sections, I have these added text blocks. All right. Just for you to see. Now, to perform a grouping or grouping elements right here, just click and hold on the left click of your mouse. Click and hold. And once done, drag and select all of the elements that you wanted to be in a group. Like, for example, all of these right here. And once that's done, just release and go ahead and click on the three dots and just click on group. All right. Alternatively, once you have released your left click, you can just go ahead and press Ctrl+G simultaneously. All right. Just click on it and they will be grouped. So just click on a blank space right here. As you can see, the group has been selected. All right. You can shrink it if you want to, like so, or use these points, make it smaller, make it bigger. All right. Move it like so. Now in here in the right panel, you can go ahead and align or arrange the group or group of elements right here. As you can see, just click like so. If you want to ungroup it in the future, just click on it again. All right. Click on the three dots and just remove the container right here. All right. There you have it. And if you want to as well, for example, you have this one in a group, you can go ahead and move it. As you can see, you can just easily move it. All right. All of them. And that's basically how you do it. That's how you group elements here in WIX. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.